What's up, people? Good morning.
Morning.
What are we doing today?
Going to a big district.
Yeah, we're going to the Peak District. And what is the Peak District? We're about to find out. It's a national park. It's close to Manchester. I've never been, and because I'm moving from Manchester for good very soon, and by very soon I mean in 2 days, so I figured if I haven't gone for the years that I've literally been living next to it, I'll never come back and go there. So yeah, so we're going. Hi! It's our first trip since the lockdown started, which was around 3 months ago. Honestly, I've lost count. So yeah, it feels weird that we're actually doing something. We don't know where we're going because we're so disorganized.
Doran Valley to Heritage Way.
I don't know. We're renting a car as well because we don't want to use public transport for obvious reasons. Where are we going?
Doran Valley? Maybe? Or the Roaches.
Okay, anyway. We're climbing, we're hiking. I think we're going there.
So this is the top.
It's quite windy, but we're so lucky with the weather. It's very warm.
Look at it.
So a few peaks that were along the path that we had taken. They were cute. I think they were cute. So now we're going in a different direction. We want to see, and I think it's a peak again, which is called Kinder Scout, like Kinder Bueno.
The associations.
Yeah, the associations. But it's quite far, so it'll be quite a long walk. We've already walked for around a couple of hours, and this other place is 2 hours away from here, and then 2 hours back, so that's at least another 4 hours of walking. And by the time we get back, it will be probably around 5 or 6 o'clock, so I guess maybe that will be kind of the last thing we do. I think we're twinning. We're twinsies.
Yeah.
didn't go to the Kinder Bueno thing. Kinder Scout, was it? Yeah, because Kinder Bueno, yeah, let's just call it Kinder Bueno. Yeah, basically we realized that we've paid parking until 4 o'clock and we won't have time to go there and back. And we thought, yeah, that's fine, we're just gonna pay for more parking time. And there is no reception anywhere. And we don't want to get fined. So now we're just basically... so now we're just walking back to the car. Yeah, but we've decided to take the actual road rather than go on the path through the hills because we thought it would be faster this way. And there's still no reception and we have like 10 minutes left. Yeah, it's actually still quite pretty, but this road was not made for walking. But at least it's not very busy either. So yeah, fingers crossed we won't get a fine. But who bloody knows?
We should be there in 30 minutes, I guess.
Yeah. Finally made it back to the car. Jesus Christ, that was a long walk. And now it's time to see if we have a ticket. At least visually we don't. I'm hoping that means we definitely don't. Yeah, that was a very nice hike. I think that is it for now. Yay, we're not fined. What? Yeah, now we have reception at the parking. That's literally the only place you have reception, I guess, so you can pay for it, but yeah. You have to be a bit more accurate when you're estimating how many hours you're gonna need, and we are not very good at this. Better luck next time.
Hello everyone, we're at Castleton.
Yeah. Hi. We're in Castleton.
Yeah.
It's a village and it was like very close to us, so we decided before we go home that we would
check it out. She's eating lettuce for like no reason.
I think I'm going through a lettuce phase, and I don't know if a lettuce phase is a thing, but basically for the last few weeks I've been eating like tons of lettuce and it's like the tastiest thing on earth, and I don't understand it, but yeah, I would basically just grab a whole lettuce and just eat it like a snack, just like this. I don't know why.
Yay!
Maybe from now on I'll be lettuce girl.
Yeah, that kind of has a nice ring to it.
Lettuce girl. Yeah, it's better than cabbage girl.
That's phase 2.
Apart from eating lettuce, we're just gonna walk around for probably 10-15 minutes, and because it's a tiny village, it's tiny, so yeah, it's not gonna take long, and then we're going home. We're tired.
Yeah, we are.
We walked like 15 kilometers, I think. Over
so.
15 kilometers. Which, to be fair, compared to what we walk daily, it's not that much, but it was mountainy, like
Hilly.
yeah, it wasn't just normal walking, so it was harder. Bye.
Yeah, see ya. Bye.
guys, we're finally heading home after a few ice creams, some lettuce, and a quick walk. Yeah, I like the village a lot. I think it's my favorite part of the day. I love cute little villages like this, so that was really fun. But yeah, we're going home now.
Yeah, it felt like a really nice community. Okay, someone's fried. Do you want me to drive?
No, I'm good. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!
Bye bye.